4, 3, 2, 1. When you are in the throes of an overwhelming emotion, it can hook you in completely. Mindfulness practice helps you notice when this happens. When you do notice you are feeling overwhelmed, you can use this exercise, the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 exercise, to bring yourself back to the here and now. It takes just a few minutes and extends an invitation to be present. So to begin, leaving your eyes open, scan your surroundings and notice 5 things you can see. You can say them out loud or note them silently in your head. With each of the 5 sights, pause to take them in completely. Next, notice 4 things you can feel in the body. Again, you can either note them out loud or note them quietly in your head. Rest your attention with each sensation for a mindful breath or 2. Now name 3 things you can hear. Try to choose 3 different sounds, not the same noise 3 times. Take in each sound with curiosity. Next, note 2 things you can smell. If you cannot smell 2 things in this moment, feel free to move somewhere to smell something more closely. Or simply notice whatever you notice, even if that's an absence of smell. And finally, note 1 thing you can taste. It may be the leftover taste of a meal, of toothpaste, or just the way your breath tastes. If you are not aware of any taste in particular, just note that as well. There is no right or wrong to this exercise. Remember that you can come back to this practice whenever you need to quiet or calm your mind. Your senses are here to ground you in the present moment.